In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Fresha in our full 2025 guide. No matter if you're managing an appointment-heavy schedule or simply trying to get a better overview of your calendar, adjusting the zoom level can really enhance your experience. So let's dive in and make sure you're all set up. Starting off, we'll need to navigate our way to the Fresha partner account. If you're not already familiar, this is your hub for all things related to managing your appointments and client relationships on Fresha. Head over to the website and log into your partner account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard that provides an overview of your business operations. From here, our next destination is the calendar. Now let's go over to the calendar tab. This is usually located on the main navigation menu. The calendar is where you manage all your appointments and have the option to adjust the zoom settings. So click on it to ensure you're viewing your appointments clearly. Next, to gain control over how much detail you see, we need to click on the settings button. You'll typically find this button towards the top right corner of the calendar interface. Clicking on this will open a menu of various settings related to how your calendar is displayed. Once you're inside the calendar settings, you should see an option related to calendar zoom. This is where the magic happens. Check this option and you'll have a slider that lets you adjust the zoom level. Depending on your needs, you might want to zoom out to see more of your day or your entire week at a glance, or maybe just focus on one specific time slot. Take a moment to adjust the zoom to your liking. You can play around with it until you're comfortable with how much you can see on your screen. Remember, finding the right balance is key to ensuring you don't miss important details while still maintaining an overview.
Once you've adjusted the zoom level to your satisfaction, it's crucial to finalize the changes. To do this, go ahead and click on the Apply Changes button. This step ensures that any tweaks you've made to the zoom level will be saved and reflected in your calendar view. By applying these changes, you're locking them in. So every time you navigate back to your calendar, you won't have to adjust them again unless you want to. And that's it. Adjusting the zoom level on the Fresha calendar is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you're able to customize the way you see your appointments, thus enhancing your workflow and productivity. Thanks for following along, and may your Fresha experience be as smooth as possible.